Hi, I'm Scott Dujak, owner and inventor of Spray and Forget. Today we're going to talk about a simple way to clean your composite or wood deck using Spray and Forget. Composite decking is a great product for many outdoor applications. It won't rot, it won't splinter, it won't split, and it won't fade. However, it can be susceptible to mold, mildew, and algae stains, especially if you live in moist climates. So today we're going to demonstrate an easy way to clean and maintain your deck using Spray and Forget. First, we're going to remove any patio furniture like this table or bench from the deck. Then we're going to remove any of the leaves, pine needles, or other debris using a leaf blower or broom. We'll be using Spray and Forget's House and Deck Concentrated Cleaner today, but you can use any of Spray and Forget's products to clean your deck. You'll need the concentrated cleaner, a garden pump sprayer, a measuring cup, and a water hose and nozzle. We'll need approximately 20 ounces of House and Deck concentrate for each gallon of water that goes into the garden pump sprayer. So we're going to use the measuring cup to measure 20 ounces of Spray and Forget concentrate. Remove the top from the garden pump sprayer. Pour in the concentrate. You'll want to put the top back on the sprayer, screw it on tight, and pump to get pressure. Next, you'll want to wet your perimeter landscaping as a precaution. Using the garden pump sprayer, thoroughly wet the entire surface of the deck. Finish up by wetting your perimeter landscaping again, and that's it. Any green algae stains will disappear from your deck within a few days. Any black mold or mildew stains will disappear within the next few weeks with subsequent rainfall. Okay, so you don't want to wait a few days to a few weeks to have a clean deck. There are a few options for you to get immediate results. However, they require a lot more time, effort, and a lot more mess. One option is using a pressure washer with a wide tip and low pressure, and the other option is using a push broom and a spray gun. For the brush and rinse method, you'll want to start at the outer corner of the deck in small sections, working your way inward. Here we've already treated this surface with Spray and Forget. Now we want to brush in the Spray and Forget while it's still wet. After brushing, you'll want to rinse that area with the hose equipped with a spray gun. Using the other immediate results method requires using a pressure washer. Any pressure washer will work, just make sure that you use a wide fan tip and back the pressure washing wand off as far as possible to get lower pressure. Here we've already treated the entire deck with Spray and Forget, like we described earlier. Now we're going to use the pressure washer to rinse away the stains. To maintain a beautiful deck, simply retreat the deck with Spray and Forget every 18 to 24 months without rinsing and never have biological stains again. For more information on Spray and Forget, visit our website at www.sprayandforget.com.